A big part of EPIC's mission to create a more conscious culture includes helping other purpose driven businesses thrive.
And as business owners, we've had plenty of times when we felt overwhelmed and doubted ourselves. So we look for guidance to help us focus and prioritize.
And after a less than stellar experience with a high priced coach, we found Marie Forleo's B School. It's got the integrity and heart that are important to us and that we felt was missing from other programs we tried.
Marie's authenticity resonates deeply with us, and we love that she focuses on sacred rebels who want to make the world a better place. It's literally the most cost effective and resource rich program out there, and that's exactly why we want to share it with you.
To help you decide if B School is right for you, we get the honor of passing along Marie's free business building workshop. Make sure you click the link below to get access. We promise that it will add value to your business and to your life.
Thanks for watching.
Namaste.